With the time change also comes the reminder to check and change the batteries in your smoke alarms. KTV's Katie Koppel spoke with the Sioux City Fire Rescue about why this is a good practice and why you should check your smoke alarm's expiration date as well.
Well, this is a great reminder every time we have daylight savings time to actually take the initiative to check our smoke alarms to make sure that they're functioning appropriately as they're supposed to.
It's that time of year again. Time to change your clocks and check your smoke alarm batteries.
This is an opportunity for you to make sure that your safety devices are in proper working order.
Sioux City Fire Rescue Lieutenant John Nelson says the department actually recommends checking them monthly.
We actually recommend you check your smoke alarms once a month, but if we can get twice a year, we'll take it.
Many new smoke alarms will have sealed batteries, meaning you can't change them, but you should still routinely check them to make sure they work.
Be up on the ceiling or up high on the wall to be effective for early detection or early warning for the residents in the house.
When you check your batteries, you should also take a peek and see if your alarm is expired.
Fun fact, smoke alarms do have an expiration life, believe it or not.
Yep, smoke alarms do have an expiration date.
10 years is typically the shelf life for a smoke alarm. So when you're up taking a look at your smoke alarms this weekend, take a look at the date to see when it was manufactured. If it's we're outside that 10-year time frame, it might be time to put a new one up.
And don't forget your carbon monoxide detectors as well. If you don't have a smoke alarm or the ones in your home are broken, you can always call Sioux City Fire Rescue to come install a new one or check the one you have.
And even if you lack the ability to get up high on your ceilings, we can come out to your place and put them up for you. It doesn't do you any good being in the box. We're happy to help wherever we can.
In Sioux City, Katie Koppel, KTIV News 4.